believe you can, and you are halfway there. We already made it through 2 terms, and that's something to be proud of. But I believe that we can do even more. We can push ourselves to new heights. Just like Nelson Mandela said, the greatest glory in living lies, not in never failing, but in rising every time we fall. We have seen and heard about excellent students in our school. And I believe that we can continue to achieve more than they did. As Oprah Winfrey said, excellence is not a destination. It's a continuous journey that never ends. But it's not just about individual achievement. It's about supporting each other, lifting each other up, and creating a community that's inclusive and kind. As Maya Angelou said, do the best you can until you know better. Then when you know better, do better. So let's make commitments to ourselves and to each other. Let's strive for the excellence. Let's support each other. Let's make our school the best place where everyone can thrive on. Remember, I've once said, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. So let's dream big, let's pledge high, let's work hard, let's make term 3 unforgettable. Remember, the best is yet to come, so make it your best. Your time is now, make it count. You all got this, because you are all fighting the battle of success. So you have to keep the faith. Thank you.